Today I would like to show you how to archive documents and receipts in M-Files during the sales process in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. The interface between M-Files and Microsoft Dynamics 365 is our DMS connector. I will start with a sales quote. And I am going to create a new one. First, I need to pick a customer. Let's pick New Concepts Furniture. And the next step is to choose an item. Let's choose item number 1000, which is the city bike in a quantity of 1. What you can see on the right side are the info boxes of the DMS connector, the DMS drop form, which we use to link documents with NAV processes manually, and the DMS documents, where I can find all my linked documents later. So the next step is to link the request I received from New Concepts to this process. In this case, I am going to pick the document from my file system. There it is, sales request New Concepts, and drop it on the DMS drop form. This also could be an email, for example, directly from my Outlook client. Now the system is going to ask me what kind of document it is I would like to upload. In this case, I must choose between a sales quote from my customer or a correspondence. Which classes are offered here is part of the setup of the DMS connector by administrators, like M-Files partners or NAV partners. I choose the document class sales quote, and after that the card of my document opens. In this card I can add additional metadata information like free text for keywords or date information. Moreover, I can see which information the system has already found. For example, the customer number or the salesperson code. Let's add some keywords. And close the card. There are 3 different ways to open the document now. The option to open it in the M-Files desktop client, the option to open it in the M-Files web client, and the option to open the respective app, which could be probably a PDF reader, for example, or Microsoft Word. For sure, you always get the option to open the document manually in your M-Files client by using different search operators, for example, the number of your sales quote. For that reason, I am going to open the M-Files desktop client. At first, I need to update the client, and now I can use the search to find my sales quote and the belonging documents. As you can see, the DMS connector did not just upload the document, it has also created an object for the sales quote. If I open the object, I can see the linked customer and my document. The document has all metadata I have seen in NAV. The customer, the salesperson code, the due date, and even the keywords I added manually. If I add more documents to the sales quote in NAV, they all will be listed under this sales quote object. Back in Business Central, I am going to release my sales quote. By doing that, you can see that the PDF report, which is created in the background, is now going to be uploaded in M-Files 2. Even if the document has not yet been uploaded, I already can view the linked metadata. The linked customer, the number, the linked sales quote object, the salesperson code, and the due date. Let us switch to the M-Files desktop client. After updating the client, you can see there are 2 documents linked to the sales quote object now. the document I added manually, and the PDF report created by NAV. Back in NAV, I am going to convert my quote into an order. What you can see now is that all linked documents from before are listed under the headline DMS documents, which is a great advantage because you can follow the whole process even afterwards. And of course, I can add more documents at this point. For example, a correspondence with new concepts. Okay. Let's add some keywords again. Appointment, information, and close the card. By releasing the sales order, the DMS connector archives the PDF report in M-Files as well. And now I can finalize my order by posting the amount and quantity. Okay. The system asked me whether I would like to open the posted invoice. And as you can see, all information from before are linked to the posted sales invoice, including the PDF report of my sales invoice and of my sales shipment. Finally, I would like to show you what the result looks like in M-Files. From the sales quote to the posted invoice and the shipment, I can find all information and documents on the transaction in M-Files, including all necessary metadata information.